Okay, this is going to be the FPV setup for the Hetzer. Okay, right here we have the camera and the laser pointer. Alright, follow that wire down. We put in a JST connector right there. And then we come over to the transmitter. And there's the power cable for the transmitter and the battery for the transmitter. Now if you wanted to put this in a tank, you would add another little board that steps up your 7.4 to 12 volts. Okay, and it's going to come through this screen right here. So I'm going to plug all this stuff in. And I found something really cool about the system. I'll show you in just a second here. Okay, so I usually turn on the screen first. You plug in the camera. Okay, now we have what this camera is looking at. See, there's my finger. Woohoo! Okay, I'm hoping that this will show up. I don't know, it doesn't look good. Okay, see, now there's me zooming in. Now I'm going to turn the camera so that it's pointing at the wall. Alright, there's the... Okay, now I'm going to plug in the laser pointer. And that is running off its own little voltage supply, but when I put it in the Hetzer, I'll use one of the little boards to... Okay, wobbled up that one pretty good. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but where that laser pointer is, how am I going to do this? There's a white dot right there on the screen. That's the red dot from the laser pointer shows up as a white dot on the screen. If you can see it in between the that's an air hose hanging right there, and that's a whole bunch of shrink tubing hanging right there, those two coils. Right now, the red laser pointer dot is on the wall in between the two. I'm going to move it over by the curtain. That's not showing up very good. Anyway, now it's back where it was. The point is, I can see it really good on the screen, and that's really exciting to me, because that's going to really help with the whole sighting system for the paintball. But FPV is really not anywhere near as complicated as I thought it was going to be. There you can see the laser pointer is on. It was actually pretty simple, you know. There's pretty straightforward instructions that come with the camera and with the transmitter. Actually, the transmitter is marked on the back clearly for what is voltage in, voltage out. That goes to your camera. Video in. I'm not using audio from the camera because the transmitter board has its own built-in microphone. So that's what will pick up the sounds from the Hetzer and bring it back to the screen. But I won't be doing video with this anyway, so that doesn't really make that much difference. But now I just got to mount it in the tank, and hopefully the airline will be here on Friday, and we'll shoot some paintballs. See you next time.